Hi guys, Tom here with Learn PDR Online. I'm just in the van at the moment in between jobs, just waiting for my customer to come back for their repair. So I thought I'd take just a couple of minutes and make a short video. This video I want it to be on upselling, so kind of the art of upselling to your customer on a job that you're already out for. So I did it this morning on the job. I was doing a repair actually on their bumper, but they had a small door dent. So I was able to kind of point that out tactfully and kind of offer to do that for them at a reduced rate. Because I'm already there doing a repair, I can then afford to do it at a cheaper rate for them, but also they're getting better value as opposed to them having to call me out on a separate occasion to do it. So obviously completely up to you, but in my opinion it's a great asset to your business. So by taking just a few moments to walk around your customer's car with your customer and just kind of spotting any kind of dings and dents that are around the vehicle that you can do at the same time, it's really good for increasing your bottom line as a business, because you're already there doing a repair anyway. So any ways that you can kind of maximize your revenue, maximize your profits is going to be a win. But I choose to do it at a cheaper rate. So if they've got a second dent or a third dent, I'll do it perhaps kind of 75% cheaper than the first, or half price off the third. Because I'm already there doing a repair, so my part of my time has already been paid for to go out there. But also if it's explained in the right way, your customer should really see that value as well, as opposed to calling you out on a separate date. Okay, let's just hit pause for a moment. I forgot to explain when I was recording this video, the main reason that I offer that reduced rate is part of a sales process. I'm looking to get a yes, so by offering that reduced rate, explaining the value, I'm looking to close the deal there and then. And that's it. Okay, back to the video. So it's a win-win for both yourself and your customer. And that was it really, just a short video on upselling. It may be something you already do in your business. It may seem like common sense. If so, brilliant. But also particularly if you're just starting out and you're being called out to do one dent, sometimes that might be the only thing on your mind, is just getting that one dent done and getting the job so that you can get paid. So if it's not something you think about or currently do in your business, then definitely take some time to think about your kind of terminology and what you want to do in terms of pricing. And obviously whatever you price your jobs at is to you, so it's not a video on pricing, but just on the art of upselling. But hopefully you found that information useful. As always, you can give us the thumbs up on the video, leave your comments below, and if you haven't already, you can hit subscribe, and if you hit that little bell icon, you'll get the notifications so that you don't miss out on the next video. But that's it for today, just like a short sweet video. I'm Tom with Learn PDR Online. Thank you for watching.